Coming back to learn CapCut in year day 60, let me show you the eye contact feature. So here we have a short clip of a woman on a radio show, on a podcast, something like that. She doesn't really look into the camera. She looks to the host maybe, or the guest, but you can change that by going to Video Basic. And there is a currently free eye contact feature. If you check it, it adjusts, you can see position of the pupils. And this may take a little bit of processing power. You can see that here if I just run it, it's a little bit choppy. But once it's processed, you can export that and it actually does a good job. It can look a little bit creepy here and there, so it's up to you if you want to use it or not. Certainly better when it's natural, but if you want that feature, it is currently free. But keep in mind, CapCut likes to do that. It gives you a new feature for free or a somewhat new feature, and then at some point they turn it pro so that you are somewhat forced to pay for it if you still want to use it. But again, as I'm making this video, it's free to use. Just a one-click option. You can find it under Video Basic. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.